In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add texture fill to your text in Microsoft PowerPoint. If you want your text to stand out a little more than a standard solid color, adding a texture fill is a simple way to give it more style and visual interest. This can be especially useful for titles, headings, or any text you want to make more eye-catching in a presentation. The good news is that PowerPoint makes this effect very easy to apply. To get started, click the text you want to edit. Make sure you're selecting the actual text box or highlighted text that you want to change, because the texture fill will only apply to the selected text. If nothing appears to change later on, this is usually the first thing to double check. Once your text is selected, click the Text Fill option. This is where PowerPoint gives you different ways to change the appearance of your text. Normally, this area is used to apply a solid color, but it also includes more advanced fill options, including textures. If you're working from the ribbon or the formatting pane, the wording may appear in a slightly different place depending on your version of PowerPoint, but the option you need will still be called Text Fill. After that, click Texture. This tells PowerPoint that instead of using a plain color, you want the letters themselves to be filled with a textured surface. This is a nice effect because it can add depth and personality to your text without requiring any extra design tools. Now go ahead and select a texture. PowerPoint includes a range of built-in texture choices, so you can pick the one that best matches the look and feel of your slide. Some textures may look subtle and professional, while others may feel more decorative or creative. As you choose, keep readability in mind. A texture should enhance your text, not make it harder to read. If the texture looks too busy, try using larger text so the pattern is easier to see clearly. Texture fills tend to work best on bigger words like presentation titles rather than small paragraphs. It's also a good idea to consider the background of your slide, since the contrast between the textured text and the background can make a big difference in how polished the final result looks. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can turn plain text into something much more visually engaging by applying a texture fill in Microsoft PowerPoint.